Attention! Do you want a real way to make real money online? Launch your own online store selling software products, services, courses, and ebooks. In just 60 seconds, I will walk you through how you can create your own online store selling software products, services, courses, and ebooks. And this online store is preloaded with more than 10 digital products you can start selling immediately. I want you guys to watch the timer, and in 60 seconds I am going to create a fully launched online store that you can start selling immediately, preloaded with digital products for you, software, products and services, courses and ebooks, all done for you in just 60 seconds. Imagine in 60 seconds you fully launching an online store that can be automated. And let's get started as I start this timer. And please guys, make sure you watch this timer for me. And this one now, so let's go to our store now. For you to have this, you must create a website. You must have your website. Let's assume you don't have a website. You can also use your existing website. Now I'll just go on to my subdomain. I already have a website, so I can create a subdomain website. So here I can say I can say main this and you create, and that's all. So I've created a subdomain. I can install this on my subdomain account. So now I've created a subdomain. I can go back. Let's go to the cPanel again. Go to the file manager. Go to the file manager, and the file manager, you see the main here. So now you upload. There's this store. You upload the done for you package that I've done everything. So you upload it. Where is this thing? Okay, you upload it. So you are watching the timer for 60 seconds. So you have uploaded it. Okay, go back. Now it's done. Now from here you extract it. So I can now reload, and that is done. So now I'll go to my site. That is main.oladsynergysolutions.com. Boom. So we have can you see? So in 60 seconds I've done this. 60 seconds is ready. Can you see? Now these are the courses. Can you see? These are the courses for pay now for just $27, and these are the products, and these are the services you can offer. Everything is done for you. So now these services, you don't need to do these services. I'm going to give you, if you buy this services, I'm going to give you people that can do these services for you on your behalf, and you can charge as much as $300. And this is one of my ways of making money online. This is passive income, like I told you. So these services, this is just a domain. Can you see in 60 seconds we have completed the store? Yes. Now I'll now take you to my own personal course here. Can you see? This is my own personal my personal online store that I've been making money from, and this profit.oladsynergysolutions.com. So if you see this, can you see this site? Okay, let me just minimize this. Can you see this? Like, let's say this Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, and what have you. So we have this product. So if someone should come to this site and click on buy now, I'm dealing with international clients. I'm not dealing with Nigeria, because these dollars, this PayPal issue, and I promote this site to international clients, not Nigeria. So you get, so international people value this much. So, and also these are ebooks that you can sell. These are testimonials. And the most funny thing about this is that it is easily customizable. You can easily edit it. You can add more product to your store if you so wish. Now let me give you a gist. Let me say these are services. Now can you see this YouTube channel design service, Twitter? Can you see these are whiteboard animation services, explainer video services? Now if a customer should buy this, let me say a customer should buy this now. A customer should buy this now and pay me. I will receive this money in my PayPal account, and I will just go over to the there's a secret here. and there's a service I use. There's these people I use. There's these people I use. These people, they will do these services for you, and you can charge your clients $300, $400, depending on this. So these are the services contacts. And also, if you see this, I put my one of my affiliate link. Can you see this for my ClickBank account? So this is my ClickBank. So I put one of my affiliate. So once you click here, so I generate affiliate income from here. So you see this below, these services where a professional, everything is done for you. All what you need to do is just edit it. Let me now give you a quick one. If you want to edit all these templates, it's very easy. Do you know what you do? You just go back to profit.olasynergysolution.com/. Now if you are doing it and you have your website, fine. If you don't have your website, if you want me to do it for you, fine. But I want you, it's very easy. It's a very straightforward. I'm giving you a complete video tutorial on this when you get this store builder and profit.olasynergysolution.com/. So just type admin. So when you type admin, so it will take me down to the admin section. So can you see? So the username is admin, and the password is also admin123 if you want to, but I've changed mine. So in the cPanel, this will show up. So I've changed my password. That is okay. Now I've changed it. So I will sign in. So after signing, you see a couple of things that you can do. Can you see this is the walkthrough video that you can use, and also okay. Now can you see this section now? So there are a couple of things you can do here. You can, when you see edit settings, can you see you can change the logo, my logo. You can change the logo. This is your paper. What you need to change is this, your logo. And then this is my PayPal email account. Just put your own PayPal email account here, and you can add more product. This, there are total number of 6 products here. So if you want to add additional product, maybe you have your own product you want to sell, you can increase this to 9, 10, 11, 12, 72, or anyone. So you can also edit this about services here. You can edit it. We are professional. You can edit this. You can edit all this copyright stuff. You can edit this. Can you see it is easily editable? So you go to your social settings. You can edit this. And this social proof, you see that can you see this? Let me just go here. You see a social proof here. I want you to see something. Okay, let me just refresh this. Social proof is it converts, well, it makes visitors buy your services or something. So it pops up whenever people visit your page. So I don't know why it's not. Okay, let's go over here. So this is social proof or product alert. I can decide to do product alert. Let's see product alert. So let's visit this website. So you see what I mean by product alert now. Okay, excuse me. Now can you see someone just purchased simple this? So it will pick a random product and give like this. So can you see this converts well? And also what we do is that you can edit this edit ebook page. Can you see this? You can decide to edit this page. Can you see? You can decide to edit this page, everything. So there's this free download. What I like about this free download is that you can collect leads. Okay, let me say now this. Okay, I'll give you a quick one. Now let me go to the free download here. And I say, okay, no, can you see this? This one allows you to collect leads. You can change this everything, but I chose not to. Now from here, so you don't need to have any get response account. What you need to do is just, if I want to download, maybe I'm being DG or something, so I'll just put my name, maybe oladconsult@gmail.com. So can you see? So you don't need, so just click, just send it to me now. So it will take the person down to the, can you see, congratulations on your purchase. So let's go to our leads here. You see free downloads. You see here. Let me refresh this. You see my contact there. That's DG. Can you see DG? oladconsult@gmail.com. So let's assume you have like 900 leads. You can just download this lead at once. So you can now export it to your any You can use Gmail to send messages to them. You can send them in segregates, and you can use any other email marketing platform. And these are the testimonials. You can edit this. Can you see it is easily editable? You can edit this product page, about page. This about page, you can edit this. You can edit your services, anything. You can edit it. This is your legal license. You can also edit it. This is terms of use, privacy policy. You can edit this, everything. So it's a done for you system within 60 seconds. All you need to do is what, to channel traffic. Now I have an offer for you. If you get this within the next 24 hours, I'll teach you. I'm going to give you a secret site that you can use to get courses, software that you can sell for maximum profit. Guys, I think this is the real deal for you guys. If you really want to make money in this 2019, I suggest you get this online store, and in 60 seconds you are up and running, and you are about to make about 6 to 7 figures online monthly with these services. And this is just a preamble. The inner course, I'm going to give you some inner course as regards the services. You will see that these are the services I showed you about. The services the other time I showed you about the services. You see the services here. So I will show you some people you can the people you can accost to get the services done for you. So okay, so you can add more services. If you're on Fiverr, you are on Upwork here, and you do some services, you can add your own services here and put the buy now button. So this is just the real deal, guys. I want you guys to get this thing for a few bucks, and this is just a limited time. And I hope if you get this, I do hope you won't regret it. This is the best thing that will happen to you this 2018, and come 2019, I want you guys to prepare your mind and make sure you share the national cake. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you take a massive impulsive action. Thank you guys. Have a lovely time.